All right, this does say United States of America. 5 cents. Look at the stars. "13 stars. Wonder if that's back in the days when there was only 13 stars to the flag. Very nice. All right, let's look at the other side. All right, and that's me. And look at this side. Ready? Don't go this way. Ah, just can't make out. Looks like 72. The last numbers. It's so hard to be able to tell an 8 from a 9. Well, that looks like just a design. Ha! Very different metal, isn't it? Let's flip them back over and see. Maybe I missed the date. No, I didn't miss the date. I guess we're supposed to know, right? By the 13 stars. I don't know. Don't see no date. United States of America. Alright. If you know a little bit more about this coin, it's kind of a different metal. Only 13 stars, but the metal is really different. Alright. If you happen to know the date of this, by all means leave it in a comment. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. Be sure to sub me and share with others. Alright, bye-bye.